Okay, the Pacific Wellness Teraherz wand. Mark, what do you do with it?
You point it where it hurts.
There you go. Short and sweet. You point it where it hurts. Now, we have personal experience with this. Tell them about your foot, Mark.
5 years ago, I started having neuropathy in my foot, and it was real painful. I used to have a massager, a foot massager, that worked well for a number of years. It really did the job, but even that, towards the end of this experience, it wasn't cutting it. Someone introduced me to this wand. 5 days later, my pain went away.
That's unbelievable. I mean, and you attribute this to the wand.
Nothing else changed.
All right. Let's now. You did it with your foot. We have a chart here of the whole body, and we can show where you can use the wand for the whole body.
Absolutely.
And get results for your pain.
So, what we find, people want to know how to use the wand. I use a circular motion, nice and easy circular motion, on my foot, and I go in a clockwise manner. I go around the foot, both top and bottom, and we have a better version of the foot. But I go into a circle version, nice and slow. We're going to do a live video too that'll show as well. But if you've got some knee issues, again, go in a circular motion, getting the knees. Put your knees together and hit them both at the same time.
And there are three heat stops on that.
Yeah.
You use the one that's most comfortable for you. The one is pretty hot. If you like heat, you hold it about 4 inches away, and you're gonna warm up your body. You're gonna warm up your bones.
Absolutely.
And now, after a while, if it gets too hot, you can dial that down. You just flip the switch, and it'll be less heat.
And the key is to keep it moving. This thing is traveling at the speed of light. So terahertz energy actually does move at the speed of light. So this is putting the energy directly into if your knee is the sore spot, there's where it's going. Now, anytime you get this energy in here, it's actually going to travel through your whole system, because as you change the activity of the cells, they change throughout the whole body.
Now, how long should you do any certain area?
I like to stay on an area for 10 or 15 minutes. I like to do an overall body of about 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's not too long. I mean, if you can squeeze out that time in the day.
Exactly.
I myself try and do an overall in the morning, 10, 15 minutes, just laying in bed before you get out of bed. Have the wand handy, flip it on, up and down, boom.
Well, the interesting thing is, the more pain you have, the more time you have.
Yeah, because you're just sitting there and you're not moving with that pain.
That's
so
right.
You're absolutely right. I didn't think of that.
There's even days I skip. It's not like I'm using this every day, all day long. I solved the problem, and now I do maintenance.
Yeah.
So let's just get into the movement of it. You don't just sit there like this and hold it. You want to briskly move it back and forth. Keep the energy flowing. Do a circular pattern like that. That is also good.
On every certain area.
On whatever area you're working on. And as a maintenance, I would hit the chakra parts of the body. Go ahead and get them tuned in and get them moving. I'm not trying to be Eastern Indian here, but you know where meridian points are. Those points actually is where everything kind of comes together. So if you're having issues in whatever part of your body, you just go ahead and run it. Again, the hands, the feet, and we're going to break this down and do
a lot of nerve endings in the
each
hand
one of
and
them.
feet there, and if you use the blower on that, it's gonna go through your body and affect all that.
Yep. So let's get back up to our man and woman here, Adam and Eve, probably. And this video is getting a little long. We want to keep them short here. But as I move up into the face and into the ears, I generally will tune the air down. I'll go from hot setting to cool.
So you don't get all that hot air on your face. Yeah.
That's just me personally.
Yeah.
And again, you can adjust. You can pull the unit away from the body if you're on the hot mode. that will dissipate the heat, and then you can bring it in, and you want to get it nice and warm. You don't want to burn anything. That's
No,
not
but
good.
I'm thinking in the wintertime, this is going to do a dual, a dual purpose thing here. It's going to warm you up and it's going to heal you.
That's right. Well, there's been studies that say if you can warm the bones,
Yeah.
you can cure just about anything. So we don't suggest this is a cure-all. We're saying is this is actually helping cells become their optimal. And if you have optimal cells working in your body, then Mother Nature takes over
And it's not going to hurt anymore.
and does a wonderful job. So we'll do a couple more videos here and get specific into other parts. So thanks for joining us here. We'll see you on the other side of this one.
Teraherz wand.